Inter-University Center for Disability Studies is a unique center working at MG University campus, Kottayam. It begins its work with the purpose of empowering differently abled persons and bringing this community into the mainstream of society. IUCDS is a unique center of Mahatma Gandhi University and conceived as a place for collective learning, actions and reflections based on the human rights framework for the national vision of inclusion and complete participation of persons with disabilities. IUCDS envisioned contributing to emerging participatory action, research in disability studies in a transdisciplinary perspective. The center has active participation and involvement of a multidisciplinary group of scholars, scientists, educationists, special educators, rehabilitation professionals, psychologists and health educators who could contribute to the field of disability studies in a holistic perspective. The center has been initiated several academic and research-oriented activities. Presently, the center offers MPhil program in disability studies, also providing short-term courses in certificate course or diploma course, and also one postgraduate diploma course in disaster risk reduction, and also offered one course in emotional intelligence with the support of distance education, Mahatma Gandhi University. The center has been initiated several academic as well as social activities. The center has initiated an extension program in the name of Disability Rehabilitation, Early Assessment and Management Services, otherwise known as DREAMS, to concrete its commitment towards capacity building for the strengthening of people with disabilities in our society. The center conducted almost 50 academic programs and provided rehabilitation services to about more than 1,000 persons with disabilities through DREAMS till 2019. And an audiology lab is being established for assessment and evaluation of hearing of the hearing impaired. And this center also provided speech therapy and clinical activity with the support of a speech therapist for the last 7-8 years. And UGC has granted its fund to establish this the physiotherapy center, this speech therapy center, and some other extra activities related to society. Vision is, IUCDS envision a world in which there is a zero rejection and full participation of persons with disabilities. Mission, develop higher level professionals in the field of disability studies, develop a holistic approach for the total rehabilitation of the disabled, establish advanced facilities and promote research and extension activities in major areas of disabilities, establish linkages with the national and international organization for collaborate academic and research programs, develop assessment tools for the assessment of various disabilities, and also the achievements. 6 batches of students in MPhil disability studies is completed successfully, and they are working in various areas in various national institutes in India and abroad. 20 students passed out and 20 dissertations is being produced. 38 training programs, certificate courses, workshops being conducted during this time. 10 national as well as state level seminars is being organized. 1 international seminar is organized. 3 community based projects is being undertaken, and 6 CRE programs with the support of RCI India with national institutes conducted in this center, and more than 1,000 differently abled persons were benefited from support services at DREAMS. Recently, during this COVID-19 pandemic scenario, we have been organized counseling, online counseling program for the differently abled persons as well as to their parents. So serious issues were raised from the part of the community. The IUCDS can provide appropriate and proper services immediately. This was a great challenge during this COVID-19. IUCDS has undertaken this challenge, and now a lot of parents and children have intended to conduct this kind of program once again, and we are planning to organize another program very soon. A program of the IUC Center: academic programs, full-time, short-term program, extension activities, data bank, and a tool development unit, and literature development and publications also undertaken. Extension activities with the involvement of community are one of the major objectives of the center. Community education and seminars of awareness creation related to services availability schemes were conducted by the center. Community-based rehabilitation services with the support of the social local self-government will be taken and also being undertaken with the support of panchayat like Arpukara Panchayat and Kumaragam Panchayat, etc. Disability rehabilitation early intervention and DREAM is a real approachable program. People who are from a rural community and they are providing appropriate services in time, and they are getting counseling program, and they are getting guidance where to send, where to approach the differently able people. Also comes under the purview of DREAMS. Services available: audiology and speech therapy. We are charging a very minimum level for assessment and evaluation as well as for speech therapy. Audiological evaluation is also being conducted with the support of a speech therapist, audiologist, and speech therapy is also provided. Physiotherapy is also a part. Physiotherapy to children and adults with disabilities is provided, and counseling and psychotherapy, disability assessment, intelligence testing, IQ testing, disability certification, care of the elderly, special education, remedial coaching, etc. are also undertaken. This center has the strength to include participatory role among the persons with disabilities and other stakeholders. The center has opportunities to access across the nation. Significant contribution can also be done by having linkage with the national and international organizations. And we are having MOU with state level universities, colleges, and national level establishment for conducting various research and seminars and other programs. So it is a great support from outside the center. Since the field of disability is a relatively recent area of academics, it has a tendency to cross disciplinary boundaries. There are unexplored areas of research in disability studies. Further, the center can take initiative for outreach programs for the differently abled. IUCDS of Mahatma University is pioneering educational institutions that carried out a tailor-made training program exclusively for persons with disabilities across the state of Kerala. That means the 14 states districts is being covered from 2017 to 2019 as a sign of support and belief in the concept of disaster risk reduction. A training program for the differently abled persons in Kerala to promote the good practices of disability inclusive disaster risk reduction that will show concrete practical examples of how the persons with disabilities can be active participation in various DRR interventions. It was a great challenge because the 4 categories of persons from differently abled group: visual impairment, hearing impairment, mentally challenged or intellectually challenged persons, and locomotor persons were gathered. And this program is conducted 4 days in a district. Thus, more than 3,000 people have got opportunity to attend and participate in the training. This was a great opportunity for the differently abled community. Maybe it was the first time program conducted in India, especially for the differently abled persons. So this was also got appreciation in the UN Assembly, where a seminar is being organized, and the Kerala government has planned to present the activities being undertaken for the flood relief activities, differently abled peoples and other socially backward communities and downtrodden people who are suffering a lot, where the stall installed by government of Kerala, where the explanation regarding disaster risk reduction program conducted for the differently abled people during the time of floods. In 2018, a great flood happened in Kerala. At the same time, 2019, also the flood occurred. During this time, the center has initiated and undertaken a lot of activities, counseling and direct involvement in visiting the places and supporting the people who are suffering with flood issues and other personal and psychological or individual issues. And the center trained around 3,000 persons with different disabilities and on sustainable resilience mechanisms to disaster risk reduction strategies to make it aware of the added value that trained and knowledgeable persons with disabilities bring. IUCDs was associating with the Kerala State Disaster Management Authority in their project strengthening emergency response capabilities of the differently abled in Kerala. The project was recognized as a model project by National Disaster Management Authority (NDMA) and included in a national framework for disaster risk reduction. Besides, Dr. Eddie Nopo, UN Secretary General, SDG advocate, visited the Kerala Pavilion of KSDMA presented in Geneva in 2019. The World Reconstruction Conference held in where it was overwhelmed by the Disability Inclusive DRR program. Also in post-disaster need assessment, PDNA report, United Nations mentioned about IUCDs in the context of this project, and this was an opportunity for the IUCDs faculties, especially the faculties who are working here, was committed, and they had undertaken a lot of activities. And also recently in 2020, we had an opportunity to present in a national NADMA program, a national conference conducted by NADM Delhi, and where we got a special appreciation. So this may be the first program being undertaken in India, especially for the differently abled people. Based on this activity, we are having lot of inquiries, lot of NGOs coming forward to join with IUCDs and for undertaking various programs. And now, right now, the government of Kerala released a book which is given important to the important empowerment of differently abled people during the forthcoming floods or disasters that may be happening during the coming days or months, where the Orange Book explained in details how to tackle these differently abled community and how to escape these people, how to support these people, how can we provide early identification, detection, etc. before the flood or disaster risk period. Hence, a lot of activities, especially for the sake of the differently abled, can be undertaken by IUCDs, MG University authorities, and the Honorable Vice Chancellor, Pro-Vice Chancellor, Registrar, and the syndicate experts also extending their support for conducting various activities by IUCDs.